Exactly 7 days from today will mark the end of the summer 2009. So before the summer is officially over, I wanted to share some of the images and sights and sounds that I captured this past season that weren't part of any story at all. They are just simply some of the reasons we enjoy living, working, and playing in the inland Northwest.
Never give a piece of gold back to the earth.
I set the hook and that fish didn't move. It was like, oh my gosh, there's something big down there.
This time of year, it's not uncommon for it to be 100 degrees down here in the valley.
I grew up in Lewiston, Clarkson, played on the river my whole life as a kid.
You still get the fight, but it's nice to also get the fish, at least in the net.
You a little cuddly now?
For outdoor storytellers, and looking forward to all that fall offers, I'm Dan Barth, KXLY4 HD News.